Hi, I'm Mike Fine, and in this video I'm going to go through how to play Bad Moon Rising by Creedence Clearwater Revival. This tune's in D, so I have my D chord, my A7, and my G. And I'd say the hardest part about this tune is to be able to switch from A7 to G and back to D. So that switch can be pretty difficult to go A7, G, D. It's one of those things that you have to practice a million times, and your fingers just start to get used to that pattern, over a series of days when you just keep working at it, The other thing that can be tricky is the strumming. So I have two strumming suggestions. You could do either the beginning strumming guide or the advanced strumming guide. The beginning would go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in context, that would be, I see a bad moon arising. I see trouble on the way. I see earthquakes and lightning. I see bad times today. Okay? If you did the advanced strumming guide, it's a little trickier, but it sounds a little bit more like what Creedence Clearwater Revival actually plays. And that rhythm goes down, down, up, down, up. So if I just held no chord for a moment, it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And you'll notice my right hand is just chugga-chugging through that whole time there, right? And it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? So I would apply that pattern to the D chord. So I would go down, down, up, down, up, A, G, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So in context, that would sound like this. I see a bad moon rising. I see troubles on the way. I see earthquakes and lightning. I see bad times today. Okay? Now that leads us to the chorus. In the chorus, it's actually much easier. Slower chord rhythm. Starts on the G, then D. Then A7 again, to G, to D. And in my basic strumming guide, my beginner strumming guide, you'll play just that, simple single strums on the first beat of the measure. So it starts with G. Don't go around tonight, 'cause it's bound to take your life. There is a bad moon on the rise. And that's it, then you're right back to the verse. Now if you do the advanced strumming guide, this is a really common strum. It's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Let me slow it down a little. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay? And when I apply that to the chorus, it would be down, down, up. And in context, don't go down. So I'm going to put a verse and a chorus together with the beginning strumming guide. So here's the beginning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. is bound to take your life. There is a bad moon on the rise. Then I'm back. Now if I did the advanced strumming, here's what that might sound like. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Bad moon arise.